Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create marketing videos in HeyGen in 2026. So if you want to promote a product, build ads for social media, or create high-converting AI sales videos without filming yourself, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, decide your goal. So, are you promoting a product, service, or brand awareness campaign? This will shape your script and video style. Next, log into HeyGen and click Create Video. This is where you start building your AI marketing video. So yeah, write a short, clear, and persuasive script. Focus on benefits, not just features, and keep it engaging. Now choose a professional-looking AI avatar. This helps your marketing video feel more trustworthy and human-like. So yeah, pick a clear and confident AI voice. Marketing videos work best with natural, professional tones. Next, add your branding like logo, colors, and background. This makes your video look more professional and recognizable. So yeah, add subtitles and a strong call to action like buy now, visit website, or sign up today. This increases conversions. Now click generate. HeyGen will create your full AI marketing video with avatar, voice, and visuals combined. Finally, download your video in HD and upload it to platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even Facebook ads. And that's how to create marketing videos in HeyGen in 2026. Once you combine scripts, avatars, and branding, you can create powerful AI ads that convert. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.